Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video for Cardano on February 2024. As we're heading towards some great movements from the altcoin market, we need to speak about the levels that are meaningful, especially for a cryptocurrency here, which is definitely not performing too well in the past 7 days. Along the way with many other altcoins from the top category, we are down on 6%. At the same time, there are some cryptocurrencies out there that are not following this specific sector. And I'm pretty much considering the fact that we are in a phase right now when the cryptocurrencies, especially the alts, are grouped in categories and they move based on categories most of the time. So it's not just the altcoin sector which moves completely and then it doesn't, right? So it's not just a single large category of alts. Meanwhile, everything moves along with BTC. Definitely not like that anymore. Now, speaking about Cardano and getting into the topic, before we speak about it, follow me on my YouTube channel, check out the other video presentations as well, and feel free to reach out for our trading. There's many trading videos. You can also check out my trading dashboard right here and find out more about it, including the one-on-one coaching program. I'll speak about it at the end, guys. Now, this is the 4-hour candlesticks we're going through, and it's a very interesting situation here for Cardano. Speaking about the support, which is hiding around 49 cents, it's very interesting that this is a level which we have been retesting a couple of times. And the retest of this level is going to generate sufficient power to first retest basically on the upper side as well, the reversed golden pocket, which is around 54 cents. Any form of minor retracement from there should be bought up quickly. So a movement basically in 54 should generate a minor retracement that is not supposed to cross basically the 51 cent. 51 cent is quite low here. It's not supposed to cross that. And that is a good price to rebalance the market. Follow through the great movements like that. This is a scenario out here that we consider strongly and aggressively bullish into the major resistance line from the trend coming from the top. That's going to be a level we're going to get stuck for sure. Temporary, we're going to get stuck over there and the retracement could be placed in. At the same time, we need to be careful on how thus the other markets are acting and behaving. We have basically the stock markets, we have the BTC, which is influencing Cardano, and this is what is happening. Now, at the end of the day, we also have to measure that there is at the moment strength. We have basically a nice candlesticks of rejection on the 4-hour on this level of 49. It's around 48. 49, and at that level we are facing basically the buying pressure. If we have a tendency of pulling slightly below this, it's still not an issue. The level that would actually create an issue basically towards denying the uptrend will be losing 44 cents, this low right here. Losing that, which has been the stamp of the market increase and uptrend, losing that will actually create the opposite effect, which means that you are going to fall into the 42 cents. You have a nice demand zone heading right there from an HTF, but also lower levels on 38 and 34 that are considerable. Now, obviously, we're quite far away speaking about those when you have Ethereum breaking out, BTC breaking out, and it's time for this category of cryptocurrency alts where Cardano sits to do their movements. In a beautiful way, pushing up to the reversed golden pocket, and it's going to be on 54 cents, pulling back a little and then forcing it higher basically. It's very important to cross the 55 cents mark, even though you might retrace afterwards, but you need to cross that 55 with the movement without having major retracements. That's it where we are on 4-hour candlesticks, folks. Definitely a liquidity to be taken out from the upper circled area. That liquidity has to be tested and has to be played with. It depends. When do you get to the trending line? As the lower it's going to go and the resistance will be in touch at lower and lower level. The idea is that 60 cents basically is where there is the conjunction of bearishness appearing and there are dangerous levels that are approaching. So there's a lot of the room until that, and the market is right now not even on 50 cents. So we're actually speaking about a possibility right here of more than 20% on the price section. If you put that out on 5x leverage, you are happy with 100% on your margin. Beautiful. That's where we are at the moment. This is what we're dealing with on Cardano's side. And obviously right now it is much more balanced towards the bullishness then bearishness for the upcoming weeks of February. This thing can easily be denied by the external factors of the stock market and of the world economics in terms of the trading markets. There's all sorts of situation in the Asian markets that are not really welcome. That's it, folks. And that's where we are. Once again, if you would like to be part of my trading journey without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made, make sure to check out my trading journal and reach out. At the same time, the one-on-one coaching, just like I said, anyone which is interested to reach financial freedom and get there with education and skills, then it's time basically to learn from someone that's been trading since 2014 full-time. Through 4 to 6 weeks of one-on-one live education, I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Check out a video for a detailed explanation and register now for a free conversation with me where I can explain you even more. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.